In this video, we're going to look at the operation and setup of an RF pouch. On the controls of an RF1, we have a white LED in between this red and green button. This means that there is power on the machine and it can be run. The red and green buttons will allow the conveyor to be turned on and off. Beyond that, we have the test button and run button. These will illuminate once the conveyor is running. The test button allows you to feed one product down the conveyor, and the run button will feed a constant stream of products. We also have the potentiometer, which is used to adjust the speed of the whole system. This can be set anywhere between 1 and 8. On each end of the machine, we have the emergency stop buttons. When pressed, the white LED in between the start-stop button is no longer illuminated, meaning the machine cannot be run. On the HMI of an RF1, you have the count and the preset. The count is the amount of products that have run through the machine, and the preset is the total amount of products you would like to run through the machine. To change the preset value, simply click on the number and type in the new value you would like. Then you can click on the next button, and on the next screen we have the reset batch count and stack controls. The reset batch count will reset the count number on your previous screen. Clicking on the stack button will take you into the stack option. This is for making a smaller batch inside your overall batch. Simply click on the button at the top to turn it on and off, and then click on the number to change the value of this preset batch. This will now feed 10 products and then stop feeding. Back to the main screen, you have a settings button. When you click on the settings button, you can see the print distance. This is the distance from the nip rollers to the printer. Simply click on this value and it will move the print location on your product. Then you can click main to go back to the main screen. To set up the hopper in an RF pouch, simply place a stack of product inside the hopper and then adjust the side plates to line up with the edge of the product. Once these are lined up and look square, you can lock in place with the 4 handles. Then lift up the back of the product, slide the backstop in underneath. To adjust the printer position, there are 2 handles on the back of the printer which can be loosened off to adjust the height. Then you can loosen off this handle on the front and slide the orange slide up and down the rail to adjust its horizontal position. To set up a product in the outfeed catcher, we are first off going to estimate the length of the product and adjust the center guide to match that length. So if we set this one about here, it should be the right length for the product we're feeding. Then we're going to feed one product down the conveyor, see where it lands, and then adjust the other 2 guides to line up with it. The black knob on the back of the catcher post can be tightened to lock them in position. If you have purchased your RF pouch with a Rotech printer, please see our Rotech printer training videos.